11 common ASL signs. Here we go. Number 1, enter. To sign enter, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body with the palm facing down. With your dominant hand, extend that out, and you're going to go up underneath, just like this, from the side. That's how you sign enter. The next sign is enough. Enough. To sign enough, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body, and what I do is I close that hand into a fist, like an S, and then with my dominant hand, place that out on top of the non-dominant hand, scraping forward. Now, sometimes you might see this, but I normally do it just like this. Or this. That's how you sign enough. The next sign is problem, from the side. To sign problem, simply take both hands, extend out the index finger and the middle fingers. Now with these, bend them to form X's. And then from here, scrape against each other's knuckles. That is how you sign problem. The sign reason or realize. To sign reason or realize, simply take your dominant hand. Now you will form the letter R. With this, bring it right over here towards the temple by the side of the head, and you will go forward in a circular motion. From the side and from the front. That is how you sign reason or realize. The sign rule, from the side. To sign rule, meaning that you have to follow a bunch of instructions and you are mandated to do this. To sign this, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in the front of the body with the palm facing the side. Now with your dominant hand, form the letter R, and then from here you'll go up and down, just like this. That is how you sign rule. Now, if you're talking about actually ruling over a city or ruling over a nation, that's a little bit different. You'll use the sign control, which is just like this. Simply take both hands, form X's, turn them on their side, and then rotate them going forward. That is how you sign rule. The sign satisfied. To sign satisfied, simply take both hands, bring them out in front of the body, and I'll extend out the fingers. Now with my thumbs, I actually bring them kind of up underneath the index finger. Now with the dominant hand on top, bring both hands to the chest like this. And you're going to indicate with your facial expression, I'm satisfied. That is how you sign satisfied. Society. To sign society, simply take both hands, bring them out in front of the body and form S's. Now from here, I'll take my hands and they'll touch right here where the index fingers are, and then we will go into a forward arc. Let me show you that from the side. That is how you sign society. The sign sometime. To sign sometime, simply take your non-dominant hand, bring that out in front of the body, palm faces the side, and the fingers are facing upward. From here, you'll take your dominant hand, extend out the index finger. Now, from here, you will do a circular motion forward, but as it goes forward, it comes back and touches the palm of the non-dominant hand, just like this, from the side. That is how you sign sometime. The sign strict. To sign strict, simply take your dominant hand, extend out the middle finger and the index finger. Now you're going to flex them as if you're forming X's. And from here, it will go out towards the face and you'll slightly tap the nose. That is how you sign strict. Voice. From the side. To sign voice, simply take your dominant hand, form the letter V. Now from here, put that right there on the neck, and from here you will go upwards, up underneath the chin, and then go out forward. From the side. From the front again. That is how you sign voice. The sign wine. To sign wine, simply take your dominant hand, form the letter W. From here, your pinky and the thumb will actually touch the face and it will go in a forward circular motion, just like this, from the side. Once again. That is how you sign wine. Now here are 11 common ASL signs. If you learned anything from this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. Next, hit the subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification button and stay tuned for my next ASL video.